So today we're going to make our favorite dip for our tempura, which is brown sugar ketchup dip. So we are going to use, anong gagamitin natin, Chelsea?
The Monte original blend.
Okay. So, yeah. So, I'll let Ate Chelsea to do the dip para mas anya. Kasi siya yung gumawa, diba? Sige. All you need to do is get a small bowl. Okay. And then you can use this one. Okay. This is barbecue sauce. Yeah. Barbecue sauce, and then you need to add the Monte Ketchup.
Yes, the original
blend. Yeah, I'm excited for this one.
I'm so excited too.
And then what's next?
And then next is sugar.
The brown sugar.
Yes. And always. Okay. Now time to mix it up. It means agitate.
Okay, almost done.
Almost done.
Oh, smells good.
Oh yeah, it smells good when there's like barbecue.
Look, yeah.
Oh, I make sure.
Would you like to try it? Yeah, let's try. You can try the chicken or the tempura. Which one you like to try?
I think I'm gonna try this one.
Okay, good.
Oh.
You can use also your hands if you like.
It's so
This
hard.
one.
Huh?
You can use this. No, you can use this one. Okay, this one.
It's gonna fly.
It's gonna fly.
It's alive. Oh, no, it's... Oh, it is shrimp inside. It's my favorite.
If you want, you can use it. You use your hands if you like. Use your hands.
No, there's shrimp that I love too.
You love shrimp?
Yes.
Okay.
And I love crab. My shrimp is
It's falling apart.
It's falling apart. No. The shrimp family is falling apart. It's so crunchy.
Wow. It is. Tastes so good, right?
Yes. Oh no. I got it all on my face. It's so yummy.
Yeah.
And sour.
Sweet. Yeah. This is so good. You should try making this dip for your kids. And don't forget to use the Monte original blend ketchup.
It's so yummy.
It's yummy.
Yummy.
We really go crazy with the Monte Ketchup.
Yes, we go crazy all the time.
Yum. Bye. We're going to eat first. Bye.
Bye-bye.